Learn how to two-strand twist on dreads with me, Omara with Protective Hairstyle Nation. And if you like what you're watching, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Show your girl some love. I'm taking 2 sections of my locks out and adding Bada Bing Gel that I got from Ulta Beauty. Make sure to not add too much product. Too much product will result in white, crusty looking hair, and who wants that? So right now I'm just twisting my hair towards my ear, going towards the back of my head. And then I'm twisting the 2 strands heading towards my eye direction, if that makes sense. I noticed that as I twist, depending on where on my head I am, whether it's the left side, the right side, or the back, I twist in different directions because it's easier for me. So make sure to do what's comfortable for you. As I am twisting this hair, I am also rolling my lock to create kind of like a rope twist look. Let's slow things down so you can get a closer look at my twisting process. Alright, I might be losing some of you, so let's speed this up. A girl can only reach so far behind her head. I'm sure you see how I'm struggling over here. Earlier, I mentioned that I twist differently from different sides of my head. So in the back of my head, you can see I'm going to be twisting upward because I cannot twist down towards the beginning of my 2-strand twist. So as I go to a certain point, when I reach a point, I move my arms to the side and continue twisting downward. So make sure to do what's comfortable for you. after I twisted my hair, I sectioned my hair off in the way in which I wanted to lay and put my scarf on, and then I was ready for the reveal. You ain't ready? You can tell I'm feeling myself. And there it is. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you back here again. Another day, another time, same topic, hair. It's Omara, Protective Hairstyle Nation. Have a blessed day.